Not only was this a bucket list item to build, but it also resembles a shift in my career. You see, this video is only my 20th build video here on YouTube, and thanks to the support of all of you, as well as all those on Patreon, I'm able to take on less client work and focus more time on creating videos like this. And even though I'm not entirely sure where this is going or what this means, one thing I can promise is that I'll continually build the most challenging things I can think of and bring you along for the journey. But the long process of meticulously crafting this bench has created a sense of joy within me that I didn't expect. And I'm excited to see how it will evolve as I grow as a woodworker. And what better way to be inspired than by the very bench you're using to create your next piece.